Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Oh my. No, I'm slow.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh my.
What's going on? It's your boy again, and I am back with another one again, and again. Anyway, I'm back with another vid. You already know what that vid is. Boom, right there. You know what I'm saying? And it's part 2 of this bad boy. So I know what I said in my statement when I was talking about how TikTok, CapCut kind of messed up everything. So now everything's gonna look pretty much different from how my previous videos, how the words and editing gonna be. Yeah, so I just gonna have to just verify how that's gonna be for now, because there's some changes to it. So yeah, well, I think they look good. But other than that, also your boy finally finna start streaming. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's go. I'm about to start streaming. I gotta find out which game I'm gonna do first. It might be games that y'all already seen, but hey, from my perspective, and it ain't gonna be my point of view since I don't have my camera. Like I said in my statement, I'm still currently working on it. It's gonna happen. But hey, I'm finna start streaming soon. Oh, hey. Let's start. But that's enough for me. I'm finna go ahead and let this clip roll out. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next vid. Your boy Shaggy is out this bad boy. Peace.
Where you go?
Uh-oh. God damn, should destroy a lot of property. Hey, yo, boss!
We were supposed to go to Barnes and Noble before she was born to get that stuff. So happy. You lazy ass never went. You heard that. Did I say your name? We're headed straight for the shrine. The Barnes and Noble came on everything. Bursting in here. You didn't know. You just what you supposed to.
Armed and dangerous again.
Here we go. Again. I'm soldier.
Your family fucked up how they to your sister. And she was like, you need to be I thought that you needed to be here. Bitch. You got some behavior, but start putting in her hair. What is it looking?
Shake, spot the enemy.
I wasn't trying to spot him. I'm trying to spot Scarlet, dumbass.
I did.
If I lost that case of nerves at your head, the one sitting on the bed.
I'm a
I'm gonna knock your ass out. Baby.
Next stop, the Shrine of Weaver. All aboard. Your souls unite.
Another W's.
Woo.
as you should, as you would. Everyone another one. And look at that.
MVP. MVP.
That's screenshot of it. Yes, sir. Finally.
Where her pacifier at?
God's
Also, apparently, the regular shelves, like the regular shelves that's on the back here, that can be used as a freezer shelf. You just gotta put the freezer food on there first.
We are undefeatable.
You got to put all the freezer or refrigerated items or food items on the back. You could have fun with this. Alright. I found out because I was sick. That's what I found out.
Well, it's a good thing I did. Wait, I can't come back to it? That's stupid. I guess I only work for the team.
So, the motherfucker didn't even eat. I'm grateful for something future. I don't know why they being faster.
Judge, jury,
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, damn, dude.
Damn.
His daddy was a piece of
He killed
shit.
me and Mantis.
His barber, lanky, long, they went to high school. Ain't got no up with him. Anyway, you have to make an appointment. And my dad asked him if he fit him in. And he beat his last one. And he said, no, I'm good.
I would say he's a ass, but you know what? Hell,
He always had to have fun. You know, you were both.
Man, you wanna run when you see me, boy.
I don't like this song. I really don't think. The principal goes out the window when the person in question is asked.
Yeah, I got the kill and all, but at what cost? At what cost?
God damn.
I couldn't survive this punk ass one. They spawned here right there on top of me, Paul.
He's doing that.
I couldn't do anything about that, bro. Punk ass, Paul ass, dumb ass Black
He's being
Panther.
violent. Cut that out.
Why I'm doing this? Every time she coming with you, but somebody. Bitch.
You are not allowed to do stuff.
Oh, fuck you, Punisher. Nah, don't run, you fucking dirty pussy. Yeah. Bro, get help! Give me help!
Jeff, come here, bitch. He didn't kill you, sir.
We're good.
I killed him, though. I killed him, though. But, hey, bro, name more pretty cool. Speaking of problems, you know. Maybe some people that was just fine to me. Bitch.
By yours truth. I'm gonna kill your little Humpty Dumpty looking dark bitch. Punisher! Nigga, bro. You ain't gonna do this, but what the y'all when y'all doing y'all squishing right there in front of me, bro? Oh yeah, okay, Mantis out here, okay.
Yeah.
How about you?
Wait for it.
Hey, fuck Jeff, nigga. Why do I got beat to the land shark? I don't know. Oh wait, I know why. He's fucking annoying, that's why.
Oh my god, dude.
Let me watch
Hey,
that.
Punisher, hey, you fuck off, man.
Oh my god, man. Post over here, really.
I'm starting to
Yeah.
hate the Punisher at this point.
Yeah, if only you had showed up a few seconds sooner, man. This what you starting to hate who?
I'm starting to hate
Me too.
I'm really starting to hate this bitch mode, this bitch ass, hoe ass, fuck nigga, bro.
What are you talking about?
I'm sorry.
Who you talking about?
The Punisher, yeah, dude, too.
He said in her mind she's never wrong about nothing.
That's all. That's all.
Bitch.
Bus, can we get out from right here, bro? That's this punk ass group, and Jeff, the mother came back. The dumb man just hit this up.
Alright. Y'all finna piss me off. That's all I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna do. Get like bitches out to somebody just get bitch.
Uh-oh.
You wanna launch it, niggas? You wanna fucking launch it, niggas, huh?
This bad enough, you can't get out of
Oh, I'm
this
gonna launch it, niggas, right? I'm gonna show you more punch, boy. I'm gonna fuck you up, nigga.
Like,
You don't know me, bitch. I'm from the north side, fuck me.
That's some gay ass shit, bro.
And I missed everybody.
Venom.
Bitch,
Get that mine out the bro. Get that mine out the sky, bro. Bro, get that mine out the freaking sky, bro. Please. That's what I'm talking about.
Anti-Venom is kicking my ass. Ow!
Help me.
I'm getting punched by anti. Okay.
Hit him, bro. Alright, give me him. Somebody hit me, please.
Oh my god.
Keep hitting me, bro. Keep hitting me. Keep hitting me. Thank you, y'all. Venom, hey, buddy.
What the fuck you talking?
Well. Look what we have here.
Hey, man.
Kendrick, don't kick me out.
What I do?
Kill him.
Oh my. No, I'm slow.
Kill him. Oh my.
Ooh.
Okay, I was about to say, if you don't kill Iron Man,
Help me.
he's the biggest op right
Bro,
now.
I'm coming.
We got Magneto and Ginger fuck Itis up,
Bro, they keep killing me, bro.
Don't worry, you back in the fight, man. Put it back.
Bro, ain't no bro.
We got two healers. That's me and we got I forgot
Help
her
me
name.
out. Please heal me.
So bud.
Oh my god.
Come here, bitch.
Venom.
Everybody.
Watch
Come
out. Die.
Uh-oh.
They keep killing it, man, bro.
they finally
Pissing me
killed
off.
What the fuck he is, bro? He getting on my motherfucking
Freaking
nerves.
way, bro.
Bitch.
Die. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Come here, bro.
Bro, right here. This little midget, junkie, faggot, punk dude, right here, bro.
Rocket, bro.
Never mind. I think he's dead now.
Hey, he been dead, nigga. I'm on a killing spree, boy.
Please.
Me?
Venom,
I am too. I'm on a 15-player kill streak, bro.
Shit, I'm on a 5-player kill streak now.
How you know how many kills you got?
It'll pop
See it
up
like
here.
so.
It's still on the screen. But you gotta keep killing though. And since I'm a healer, I got it
I
easy.
am not MVP. Alright.
Suck my dick.
I got.
And I missed the knockdown cut screen.
I had got 19 kills and only died 4.